I'm gonna start and reveal what we got into it right now. I'm gonna show you. Today's video is sponsored by Kitsam. This company is specialized on making dollies for cars. I'm gonna move the car to the streets and I'm gonna show you exactly what is this tools is capable to do. So let's go watch it.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Alright guys, now I got the car on the shop, and the first thing I'm gonna do is check the oil, because I don't know exactly what's the history of this car. I want to make sure the oil is leveled up to the proper level. And then since the car doesn't want to turn on, I looked for this battery. It's still brand new, laying on my garage. I'm gonna connect it to my old one and see if it's gonna turn on. Let's go and try it. This one is on. Woohoo! We got some juice. Hopefully it will turn on. Uh-oh. I think it's just the battery is low. Has 127. The lights on. I got the jumper. It did not work. I took off the original battery and they took it to a local company for charging, and then I tried that one. After working for so many hours, well, that was a huge relief. It takes me a long time to figure it out, and luckily the car turned on and there is no problem with the engine. Now let's jump and start fixing all the rest of the problems. I think they're all mechanicals. Now I'm going to do an oil change. This is the steering box right here, and then as you can see, it's leaking. And the power steering is very hard. And even once I check the power steering fluid, it's dry. Alright guys, so I got the car right here back to the house. I have more tools here and it's a better environment than working over there, just for right now. So now as you can see, the Jeep is leaking really bad by the steering wheel gearbox right there. So I'm gonna try to replace it right now.
Bye.